think stroganoff sounds complicated, this version isn't. This is a cheap, forgiving chicken stroganoff that works even if you don't cook. No fancy steps, just a pan, basic ingredients, and dinner that actually turns out.
Let's fire it up!
We'll start by chopping the garlic, onion, and mushrooms. Since we're serving this dish with mashed potatoes, pop them into the rolling boil until they become soft. It's so important how you cut the chicken. Slice it thin, no cubes or chunks. Thin slices cook evenly. Stay tender and don't turn into that dry, sad chicken people pretend is fine once it's covered in sauce. Looks like we're ready to cook. Start with drizzling some olive oil and then put 2 cubes of butter. Yes, trust the process. Throw in your onion, then garlic, and stir it all on low heat. You want soft onions here, not color. Now, chicken goes in confidently for about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't forget to stir. Mushrooms go in next, and this is where your pan becomes kinda hefty. Add a splash of soy sauce and cook under the lid for about 2 minutes. If you rush this step, the sauce will never forgive you. We want it nice and steamy like that. At this step, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of flour. That will help thicken the sauce a bit. Please don't ruin it with cornstarch. If you're getting this amazing brown color, that means you are on the right track. You do have to evaporate as much liquid as possible because we will add some heavy cream later. At this step, we're adding salt and pepper. Yes, the traditional recipe doesn't call for any intricate spices. Simplicity is key here. Right after, I'm pouring heavy cream. 15 to 20% would be a pretty good choice. The color we want eventually is sort of a soft beige, just like this. And that was our last step. Just let the dish simmer for about 8 minutes and it will be ready to serve with a side of your choice. Once you've drained your boiled potatoes, throw in some butter and gradually add your cream. You can use the same one we used for the stroganoff. Get a nice arm workout by mashing the potatoes with all your loving heart. The potatoes have to be hot, so the butter melts right away.
Fun fact, this is my first time actually mashing potatoes. Before, I used to buy those little pouches that you can get in Canada, where you just add milk. I'm very embarrassed to admit it.
Keep adding cream as you go until you reach this kind of consistency. Make sure to season as needed and mix it into this airy texture. Let's assemble our plate with freshly mashed potatoes and hot chicken stroganoff.
Time to taste!
It was Shivan's first time trying Russian food, and I hope he likes it.
Satisfying. Very satisfying food. Amazing.
Follow us for more videos and see you in the next one!